Hello, this is Darrin Isaak with the Keller Tip of the Day. Today is October the 9th, 2019. The other day I was talking to some young folks about qualifying for a mortgage and credit scores, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to take a minute and talk to you about what we discussed. So here's the question. What FICO score do you need to qualify for a mortgage? Well, CNBC shares that the average national FICO score has reached an all-time high of about 706. The good news for potential buyers is that you don't need a score that high to qualify for a mortgage. With today's low interest rates, many believe now is a great time to buy, and rightfully so. Fannie Mae recently noted that 58% of Americans surveyed say it is a good time to buy. The National Association of Realtors said 63% of people believe now is a good time to buy a home. Unfortunately, fear and misinformation often hold qualified and motivated buyers back from taking the leap into home ownership. But hang on. Don't forget that this does not mean you need a FICO score over 700 to qualify for a mortgage. Here's what Experian, the global leader in consumer and business credit reporting, says, and I will quote, FHA loans, they say this: FHA loans are ideal for those who have less than perfect credit and may not be able to qualify for a conventional mortgage loan. The size of your required down payment for an FHA loan depends on the state of your credit score. If your credit score is between 500 and 579, you must put 10% down. If your credit score is 580 or above, you can put as little as 3.5% down. But of course you can put down as more if you want to. Conventional loans, it's possible to get approved for a conforming conventional loan with a credit score as low as 620, although some lenders may look for a score of 660 or better. USDA loans, they say this: while the USDA doesn't have a set credit score requirement, most lenders offering USDA guaranteed mortgages require a score of at least 640. For VA loans, as with income levels, lenders set their own minimum credit requirement for VA loan borrowers. Lenders are likely to check credit scores as part of their screening process and will set a minimum score or cutoff that loan applicants must exceed to be considered. What does this mean? The bottom line, as you can see, plenty of loans are granted to buyers with FICO scores that are below the national average. So if you'd like to understand the next steps in taking to determine your credit score and how you might become a homeowner or a second homeowner, give me a call. This is Darrin Isaak with Keller Williams, Western Montana Real Estate. Make it a great day.